Good morning, first graders and first grade families. Happy second day of school. I hope everybody had a great day yesterday and things went relatively smoothly for you. It seems like they did from my end, so I'm hoping you felt the same. As always, reach out with any questions, concerns, anything that I can do to help make this smoother, easier for everyone. So I am really excited for the second day of school, first graders. I hope you are too. We have some other activities planned today that I think you will really enjoy. First thing this morning at 9, this will come through your Seesaw Activities light bulb, will be a self-portrait activity. And a portrait is a picture of a person, and a self-portrait is a picture that you draw yourself of yourself. It's a self-portrait. So in your red folder that came in your supply box, you should see this paper. And that's what you're going to work on first. That will be your first activity this morning. And you're going to draw a picture of yourself on the first day of school. So what you look like just starting first grade. I know today's technically the second day of school, but use, crayons, pencils, include lots of detail. And then down here it says, this is how I write my name. So using your pencil, using your best first grade printing, if you could please write your first and last name in the box down below. Just try your best and try your best to fit it in the box. If your name's a little bit longer, just do your best. And then you'll take a picture of this and send it through Seesaw whenever you're finished up with that. And then today we will also have our live lesson, our live class at 10 a.m. I have a great story to share with you again. I hope you enjoy it. It's one of my favorites. And we'll learn about another, not app, but another thing that we'll use to be able to respond to questions. So I'll teach you more about that. That's called Padlet, but you'll be able to write down or answer responses, and then your classmates will be able to see. So it's a way for us to, share our ideas with our classmates. This afternoon, then we'll also have our 1 p.m. live class, and we will share any me bags that, if anyone is ready and would like to share their me bag that didn't have a chance to do that yesterday, we'll do that. And then you may remember using Epic when you were in kindergarten, but we're going to review Epic and how to use Epic, and then you'll have an activity where you're going to go and find a book and then write a little sentence telling about the book that you found and read on Epic. So those are the plans for today. I will send that agenda out like I did yesterday, just listing everything, listing any links that you will need, and that will come out this morning at 9. And just a couple of quick announcements. I apologize, I meant to tell everybody this yesterday, but just a reminder that the specials will start tomorrow. They'll start on Thursday. So specials will start tomorrow. So tomorrow will be day 1 in the specials rotation. And then I also wanted to let you know in Seesaw, I know there's going to be a lot of information and activities and posts going through. So I tried to set up folders. And when you tap on your name on the side of the screen, there's a little folder picture on the far right hand side. When you tap on that, you should be able to go to folders. So for example, if you wanted to be able to go back and watch a live recording, I'm putting all of the live recordings in that folder. If you wanted to be able to find a morning message from, earlier the day, earlier in the day or the day before, I'm putting all of those in a morning message folder. When we really get into all of the reading and the math, there's a reading and math folder. So I just wanted to let you know, I hope that helps to keep things a little more organized for you. And if you need to find something quickly and easily, that will help. So, all right, reach out with any questions or concerns. I'm really excited for day 2. I hope you are too. And I will see and talk with you soon. Bye.